welcome to Heather's Treasures. Thanks for visiting today. We are doing the crown molding in the kitchen. We need to miter the corners. Now, this is black walnut, and I just sanded. This was given to me by one of my sponsors, Paul. And anyway, I left the one side thicker, and I tried to sand down a bevel. So now we're going to measure. It took some wire cutters, some really heavy duty ones, and I clipped off that little edge on the ruler. Like this side has got like 1/8 of an inch, and I just clipped it off so that I could measure millimeters. So it's a little crookedy, but my hanging copper pot rack. Whoa, look at that. Somebody living at home. They left the lights on. Somebody left the lights on in the kitchen. Now what I'll do is, when I get around to making the cast iron pots, I'm going to make those out of polymer clay. And I'll try to texture them to make them look like cast iron pots. And then I'll make little copper wire S-hooks and I'll hang them from that rack. Doesn't that look cool, guys? My dirty windows. I am not going to glue the ceiling in because I want to do the flooring for the second floor up here. I want to do the flooring first before I glue that down. Put my piece of art right there. Well, I'm excited. What do you guys think? I think it looks so cool. I didn't get to do the hood today, but that's all right. I'll do it next week. Or maybe the week after. All right, guys, if you enjoyed watching this painful video, but awesome outcome, give me a thumbs up. And share this video with your crafting friends. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click the little bell. Make sure that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I try to do the Naomi House videos every Friday. So yeah. Thanks for stopping. Till next time. Love you. Bye-bye.